So we are at Camelback Lodge, and this is our 1-bedroom suite. So you come in the front door, like right here, and you walk, excuse our stuff, you walk in and there's 4 tables and chairs, which is really nice. And then to the right is our bathroom. So you have a granite countertop, excuse me, toilet, shower, a pretty big bathroom actually. Towels, they give you all towels. Oh, and they give you all your toiletries. So this is lotion, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, some extra body wash, extra shampoo, conditioner, some soap right there. They do have a hair dryer, which is always nice. Extra toilet paper, more soap. And here's your shower. It's a handicap accessible shower. No tub. And then here's the trundle bed. So you get a trundle bed. And then you have this closet for your stuff, to stow all your stuff away. And here's your safe and extra pillows. And then next to that, you have your microwave with, it looks like a little coffee pot here for some coffee, and they give you some coffee, some regular decaf in the morning, your ice bucket, a nice sink to rinse things out, and then you have your fridge. And let's see, does it have a freezer? It has a freezer. So a little mini fridge, like a little college type fridge. And then you have your fireplace, because this is also a ski resort. So people are not only just staying here in the summer with your big TV. There's your patio, your chair, your air conditioning and heat unit, and then this sofa pulls out into a queen size sofa bed. And here is your patio. So we're on the ground floor, we're on floor 1, so the lobby's actually on floor 2. The lobby is a different video, which you can click on, but this is just a 2-little-seater. And then here's the view. So it's a beautiful view. I don't know if we're gonna spend a lot of time out here, because the fun's really inside. But here is the bedroom, the king size bedroom. There's the king bed, your air conditioning unit, your TV and drawers. Over here is like a little area for you, extra pillows to hang things up, your ironing board. And then here's your vanity, again, the granite vanity, the soaps, more soaps, pretty good sized mirror. And here's your bathroom. This does have a tub, which is really nice because we travel with kids, so bath time is the end all be all, so we definitely need a tub. And that is about it. So this is the 1-bedroom suite at Camelback. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks.